Hello everyone, welcome back to Off 24/7 Noida. Today is the day one of Global Fashion and Design Week. So let's talk to some of the participants here today. Can you please tell us your name, ma'am?
Janvi.
So what is the idea and concept behind your design, and how does your design reflect the aesthetics of your country?
Okay, so my country and my furniture is inspired from the Turkey 19th century, which was ruled by the Ottoman Empire. So they truly loved, they were fond of the inlay work, geometrical patterns, and the floral motifs and everything with that, like the intricate handwork. So I've just recreated the essence with my coffee table. So it just have the octagonal shape with the geometrical patterns, and it also do have the mother of pearl work. So basically, mother of pearl is the outer shell of the oysters. So we used to cut into the tiny pieces, and then we used to groove into it. And to add on the accessories and to add on the aesthetics, I've used the bold colors which were used in the Turkey 19th century. So as we are moving towards the space-saving furniture, so it do have the hidden storage within it. So you can just keep the books and everything into it.
That is interesting.
Yeah.
So you have a wonderful design setup over here, like this. You are talking about this table. I found this very interesting. So what did you learn from this event, and were some of the challenges during the preparation? Can you please tell us something about that?
So I just learned like how we can just blend the contemporary into the like traditionals, like into the space-saving furniture and the modernism. How we just like how I just turned into the traditional furniture into the space-saving. Like we can just store into the things. The challenges I found, which was like the work with the working with the carpenters and everything, finalizing the designs and everything into the time period, the shortage of the time as we are working everything.
Yeah.
That's what.
So lastly, how did the faculties and the teachers help you and motivate you throughout the process of the preparation?
So my teacher and mentor was my Gitika ma'am, architect Gitika Upadhyay. So she literally helped in everything, like finalizing the designs, and my inspiration was the octagonal, like the geometrical patterns, and to finalizing the even talking to the explaining to the carpenters and everything. She just really helped me in every stage.
Thank you so much for talking to us. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
This is Swam Jyoti Dalpat with camera person Prasuk Jain of 24/7 Noida.